NFTs built on Ethereum have been on fire over the last few months, but many people are wondering, what about NFTs built on Cardano? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Cardano NFTs early. And something I want to clarify is that right now, the focus is on Ethereum. There are other blockchains that already have NFTs, but the big money is focused on Ethereum. And the reason is because when it comes to NFTs, it's not the same as crypto. People don't mind about slow transaction times or high gas fees because these are collectibles and they're not highly liquid, they're not day traded, so people don't have a problem. So the focus is still on Ethereum. However, it is possible we will see a shift in the future. And if Cardano ever does take off, I'm going to show you how to find these NFTs early. However, there is no guarantee that you will be profitable. Now, when it comes to Cardano NFTs, we will apply what we already know when it comes to Ethereum NFTs. With Ethereum today, as I make this video in August of 2021, there is a lot of data and on-chain metrics that shows us everything we need to know about Ethereum NFTs, the name of the projects, the Discord, the Twitter, the date that it's going to launch, the price, how many are going to be minted. But when it comes to Cardano, at least as I make this video in August of 2021, we don't have any tools, at least any tools that I know about. But we do have tools that will start us off on the right track. So the first part of finding these projects is simply that, just finding the projects. This can take you hours, days, or even weeks. But there is a website that will show you these projects on Cardano, developers.cardano.org. I will leave a link for you in the description down below. And you want to go over here and click NFT, and it will show you Cardano NFT projects. 34 projects at the moment. Not a surprise, Cardano is still very early. As I make this video, we still don't even have smart contracts. But this is all it gives us. But we want all of this information, but it's not a problem. All we need to do is a little manual work. Once we have the project, we already saved hours, days, or even weeks. And now we just need to look for the Discord, the Twitter, and this information as well. And you can see this as an advantage because many people are not willing to put in this extra work. But if you are willing to put in this extra work, you will be early. So let's do an example. Let's say we're on this site and we see this project over here, $8. We click on it, it brings us to the website. We can see that it's sold out. They have a Twitter and a Discord. Let's check it out. This is the Twitter, not that many followers. What about the Discord group? 528 members, not such a big deal. So when we look at this project, nothing too exciting. But we're still going to do the same thing we did with Ethereum, but with Cardano manually. And let's scroll down. What about this project over here? Canucks NFTs. So if we click on that one, we come to the website and we see we can actually buy it. And if we go to their Twitter, only 250 followers, that is nothing really. Let's go to their Discord, 116 members, their Telegram, 6 members. So it makes sense why we can still buy this NFT. And it is important to note that if you do buy these NFTs, you will need a Cardano Shelley era wallet, such as Daedalus, Yoroi, Adalite. Do not send it from an exchange. This is a project that I won't be buying, right? This one doesn't excite me. And a quick thank you to iTrust Capital for sponsoring today's video. They are a crypto retirement account. I personally use them myself, and they offer a crypto Roth IRA. All profits in the account are tax-free, zero tax, as long as it's held in the account until after the age 59 and a half. Also, one can trade within the account tax-free because if you trade crypto for crypto outside of a Roth IRA, each trade is a taxable event. And they have a wide selection of cryptocurrency. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, Polkadot, and they keep adding new coins. Recently, Engine and Algorand, and coming soon, Decentraland and Cosmos. And one of the biggest worries about a Roth IRA is what if you need the money before the age 59 and a half? Well, luckily, one can take out the initial contributions penalty-free before the age 59 and a half. And there are even cases where one can take out the profits penalty-free before the age 59 and a half in certain cases, for example, such as a first-time home purchase, certain medical expenses, and certain educational expenses. And if you have any questions about iTrust Capital and crypto Roth IRAs, feel free to message me anytime. I will do my best to answer your questions. And if you want to get started with iTrust Capital, I do have a link down below and you'll get your first month free. And coming back to the list, I want to show you a few other examples. So if we scroll down here, we'll see this project over here. the Hoskinsons, and we're going to do the same thing. We click on the website, and then from the website, it will give us more information. So we go to the website here for the Hoskinsons, and we can see, for example, that there's going to be 10,000 Hoskinsons, but this was already sold out. So we missed this. And when we click on, say, let's say their Twitter, we can see there's 7,000 followers, 7,400. That's a lot. And let's look at their Discord group, 1945 members. So this is actually a pretty decent project. So let's say we missed the drop, the mint date. Can we still buy these projects in the aftermarket? And the answer is yes, and I will show you how in this video. I just want to go over one more project. As we scroll through this list, let's take a look at this project over here. Crypto Kids. Remember, I just want to review. We have our project, right? Now, once we have the project, just like we have on Rarity Tools, we look for the Discord, the Twitter, how many are going to be created, and the date that it's going to launch. However, it won't be given to us right away. We, again, need to do this manually. So with Cardano Kids, it brings us to their website, and we can see that they have some that are sold out, and then these over here are not sold out. If you click on one of these links, it will show you that details coming soon. So some of the NFTs are sold out and the others are not. So how do you stay on top of these projects? How do you get that update without having a site like Rarity Tools giving you the date? And it's simple. You find the project that you're interested in, you go to their Twitter, and you follow them and you hit the notification button. Right now in Cardano, early days, August 2021, this is how you will find out about mint dates for your project. And as you can see over here with Cardano Kids, very popular project, 12,000 followers. So when you go to this list over here and you click on the project, you look for the Discord, you look for the Twitter, you go to their website and you'll see, was it minted already or is it yet to come? If it has not been minted already, you go to the Twitter and you set notifications. But let's say these projects such as the Hoskinsons or maybe the Cardano Kids that have already been released, let's say you actually went to buy them. There is right now a Cardano aftermarket and it is called cNFT.io. This is a marketplace. And if we come over here, we can see that we can get these Hoskinsons in the aftermarket. You can make the case that they're quite expensive, especially since it's such early days for Cardano. These Hoskinsons going for 200, 300 ADA. And let's look at, let's say, the Cardano Kids, right? This is a very popular project. And you still may be able to get those new Cardano Kids that will be coming out. These ones over here, remember, keep that notification on. And over here, you can see that these are going for, a very high price. 600 ADA, 600 ADA. Basically, yeah, 600 ADA, 400 ADA. And aftermarkets can be very risky in crypto. The goal is you want to get it as early as possible at the mint date. So this is the guide over here. Once you have your project, if you hear about a Cardano project, just come to Rarity Tools and follow this step by step. Look for the Discord, look for the Twitter, see if there's a community, and you likely will not see any websites giving you the dates up front of when it's going to be released. And this is why you need to do it manually. So you go to the Twitter, you follow, and you hit the bell notification so that you are informed. And also hit the bell notification on my videos as well, so you find about these things as early as possible. And hopefully Cardano flourishes and hopefully the ecosystem one day follows the same path of Ethereum NFTs and you get your hands on these NFTs early. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening and I'll see you next time.